wonderful wet morning, everybody. There was hair over there. Rascally wabbits. I don't know where they've gone now, but they were over there. She dragged me over this way, so I wasn't able to watch them because they were hidden behind all the bushes. It's a wet day today. You're a wet husky. It only just started raining this morning, around about 2 o'clock. So there's still a lot of sniffs around. And we normally walk across here, but it's a bit wet. Oh, does she smell the hair? I don't know where they went, sweetie. They might have gone up the road. She said, I'm going to walk across here anyway. Oh, lucky I got waterproof boots. That went nearly up to my ankle. That's as far as my boots go. See, this is cool, Dad. Splish splash. If you're having so much fun in the water. Ooh, deep. Ooh, that's a bit deep, Dad. So this is where the hare were. And they ran up a little bit to about where that sign is. And that's, I don't know where they went from there. See if she picks up the scent. I don't know if she will. Yeah, it's not pouring down now. It's only just sprinkling. It's just not bad. It was a lot wetter earlier. Found male kelpie. Oh. Usually it's lost. And somebody's found a kelpie. This is a cattle dog, for those who don't know. They're very, very tough and hardy. Very popular here, being a farming area. So people are used to them. They've had them growing up. So they get them as pets. And they're no good really as a pet. They need constant activity. So they're not a... Tikaani, get up. I thought of giving her a bath on last weekend. Or would have been Thursday or Friday, maybe, because it was hot. It was in the 29, 30 degrees. 29 one day, 30 degrees is another. Never did. Thought, no, she doesn't really need it. Oh, there is a doggy over there, off leash. So there are people about. So that's our second off-leash doggy. The first off-leash doggy was a GSD, and he was on the street, so not in an off-leashed area. And somebody just let him go twirly out the front of their house as we just finished walking past, luckily. So it didn't see us, and she didn't see it. Anyway, I'll leave you to it, everyone. Have a fantastic day. I'll catch you later.